something right now. Go back upstairs. Hey guys, Tom with Green Mountain Projects here, bringing you a sweet little video today to help you organize your wood shop if you're tight on space like I am. See, I got this little shop here, I got a little room next to it where I usually keep my lumber and such. One thing I run into here that is the biggest issue is when I have full-length 2x4s or 4x8 sheets of any type of sheet good or plywood. First thing is, I just finished renovating the shop. Basically, this is a dark, dingy house built in the 60s that I bought, and we put a lot of work into it to include now the basement, painted all the walls, nice bright white, redid a bunch of electrical, better lighting, pegboards all around, made these workbenches out of some doors I got off my job site, got a recessed miter table, and a handful of other things. But what I need is a better way to handle sheet goods. So one, making it mobile, and two, fitting it in a small space. What I'm going to bring to you is a lumber storage rack, but it's also going to have an area on it so I can use it like a panel saw. You can see here's my drawing I made of it real quick on Bluebeam. Feel free to pause the video, take a screenshot, use my design, don't use my design, steal my measurements, I don't care. But I'm going to put this thing on 4 big heavy-duty caster wheels I picked up at Harbor Freight. I have a ton of 2x lumber just laying around, so probably won't have to buy anything. So, and you can build this all with just normal tools. It's a screw gun, circular saw. Basically, this area that I want to put this cart in is right over here. So if you follow me into here, I got this storage area. So this is the spot I want to put it. So this is like roughly 10 feet and then about 7 deep. So I mean, this thing is going to hopefully be definitely under 4 feet wide and about 8 feet long so that it can hold sheet goods. Like a freaking glove. Alright guys, super pumped how this thing came out. Basically this is all the lumber I had in my basement at the moment. And let me tell you, it took up a whole lot more room when it wasn't stacked nice and neatly on a cart like this. This thing seriously shrunk down my footprint for where all my lumber's scattered. It's got basically everything I need. I got room for my dimensional lumber, I got my trim, and then I got my 1x sheet goods on the back side of it, and I got my front part to do my cutting. I will probably make some little tweaks to this as I go, just things I find. Like the first thing I found is maybe putting a little piece of wood up as like a toe to catch this so it doesn't slide off. I might put some more supports in. As you can see, this is for stuff that's flexible, like this beadboard, keep it flatter against the piece while you cut. Maybe do another little rack for smaller trim above. Love to hear any of your feedback. Feel free to comment if you have some cool ideas or anything. Stay tuned for more videos like these guys, and thanks for watching.